Hi, my name is Ian Waddell, and for my data structures final project, I have decided to make a self-storage reservation request. The purpose of this program is for an employee to have the ability to input a customer's information, and then later, when a camper or storage unit has become available, look into the queue and see who comes first for that. As you can see, I have already put ones across the board as a simple demonstration, and then selected a 10 by 20 storage unit. Once you have clicked submit, it'll come up and pop up saying that the information has been submitted. In this case, you would simply send the customer home, click clear, and then that's it. However, let's say later that day, another customer comes in wanting a 10 by 20 storage unit. For this example, I'm going to put a little more in for the information, and the reason why will be shown later. So once you're done with that, you click submit, and there you go. However, let's say another customer comes in and he's wanting a 10 by 15 storage unit. Once again, you click submit. The purpose of this program as shown is to be as simple as possible. That way any employee can look at it and be able to use it without having extensive training in it. So let's say a few days later, somebody comes in, a storage unit comes available, a 10 by 20. It's all ready to go, been cleaned, and now the employee needs to find out who's first in line for a 10 by 20. The employee would click the 10 by 20, simply click look at top, and now he has the first name, last name, and all the information needed to give that customer a call and have the customer come in for further proceedings. Once the customer has come in and has gotten the storage unit, you simply click remove, clear, and now that customer is out of the queue for the 10 by 20. However, for demonstration purposes, let's say another 10 by 20 has become available. Now, when you click look at top, the second person I inputted, who has 5 across the boards, is a little too long because of the information given. That state has ... to show that it's just simply too long. Now, while this isn't quite important because you can simply just call the customer and they still need to come in, and just in case the employee wants to see all the information for them, he would click look through all reservations. This is going to show all the reservations that were taken, and the employee can simply look for the first 3-4 information bits, look into the console, and then find that customer. And now he has access to all of the information given by the customer. And then, once the customer has been taken care of, you simply click remove again, clear, and now, let's say a 10 by 20 comes available once again, and the employee wants to see who's at top, he'll click look at top, and then nothing will appear, which means that the entire queue is completely empty. Now earlier, when I clicked the 10 by 15 and then inputted all 2s across the board, you can simply click look at top, and there you go, you have the first one for that. All of the databases that currently have information are completely separate, except for the main linked list, which covers all of the reservations, so you can easily switch between them and simply look at top. It's also worth noting that you can also select multiple storage units and campers. The reason why is because there are a few customers that simply want to store campers as well as storage units. If a customer has more than one camper they want to store, depending on if they're different sizes, but in this case, let's say that they are the same size, you would have to input 2 different reservations in a row. That covers my program. The goal of this program, as said earlier, is to make it as simple as possible for any customer or any employee to have the ability to input information and look at it. And have a good day.